Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to print prime numbers just using one line of Python code. Uh, so I am just going to simply put the code here. And as we can see, we have the list of prime numbers. So I'll quickly explain what's going on here. So first, let's take this last range 2 to 20. It creates a sequence of numbers from 2 to 19. So this is the range where we want to find the prime numbers. Next, we are going to take lambda, uh, lambda function. So it's a lambda function that takes a number a and checks if it's a fine. And it does this by using the all function along with the generator expression. So let's break it down a bit. So we are using for loop here. It iterates from 2 uh, to a minus 1. Okay, over all the numbers from 2 to a minus 1. Next, it's going to check if a is not divisible by b. So if there is no remainder when a is divided by b. And this, we are putting all of like the loop and this condition in the all function. So it checks if the condition holds for all the value of b in the specified range. And if it does, then the number a is considered prime. And at last, we are going to use the filter. Uh, so the filter function is used to apply the lambda function to each element in the range from 2 to 19. So it filters out the numbers that are not prime. And finally, the list function is used to convert the filtered result into the list. So the brackets that we are getting, that is because we have used the list function. So yeah, there's the explanation. Please let me know if you found this video helpful. Do comment, like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much.